Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about these crib sheets that I got recently on Amazon. These are unbelievable. This is my first time actually buying this type of fabric, which is a muslin type of fabric, and it's so soft. It's the quality is so good. Let me show you. So this is I got a set of two, as you can see. So I got the one that has the darker color green and this one that comes with these leaves, and the quality of the fabric is so good. Let me show you. It's very thick. It's so soft. It feels so good. I know my baby's going to love this. The elastic, very, very stretchy. It holds onto the crib very well. As you can see, it's not small. It's perfect. It's perfectly on the crib. And these, I already washed them. They did not shrink whatsoever. They actually stayed the same shape and size before, which I was surprised. I really thought that this type of fabric would shrink. Didn't happen, as you can see right here. Yeah, love it. I am obsessed with this type of fabric, this material, the quality of these sheets as well. I already bought a few other colors for our baby, and yeah, if you're thinking about getting these, you should. Amazing. Highly recommend it.